Titanic movie. Conjunctions or connectors. Part 5 of 10. Titanic movie. Choose the correct answer, Part 5 of 10. Rose was very rich, blank she felt trapped and unhappy. Unless, although, whereas. You cannot get on a lifeboat blank you are a woman or child. Unless, though, even though. Jack was a poor artist, blank he had a very kind heart. Although, even though, whereas. Blank the water was freezing, Rose held onto the door. Unless, though, whereas. First class passengers had many good clothes, blank third class passengers had simple ones. Unless, although, whereas. Pause the video. Find your answers. Play the video to cross-check. Titanic movie answer key, Part 5 of 10. Rose was very rich, although she felt trapped and unhappy. Reason, although shows a contrast or a surprising fact. You cannot get on a lifeboat unless you are a woman or child. Reason, unless shows a condition that must be met to prevent something. Jack was a poor artist, even though he had a very kind heart. Reason, even though shows a strong contrast or a surprising fact. Though the water was freezing, Rose held onto the door. Reason, though shows a contrast, similar to although. First-class passengers had many good clothes, whereas third-class passengers had simple ones. Reason, whereas shows contrast between two facts or situations. Like, comment and subscribe.